Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by parking on a level surface, setting the parking brake, and removing the key from the ignition. Open the trunk, fold down the rear seats, and remove trim to access the hybrid battery cover. Disconnect the 12V battery to disable the car's electronics before touching the high-voltage battery. Put on insulated gloves and safety goggles. Keep a 10mm and 12mm socket, torque wrench, and long-handled ratchet nearby. Remember, the hybrid battery is nominally 201. 6V and weighs about 60 pounds, 27 kilograms. Remove the interior trim and unscrew the battery cover bolts, then remove the cover to expose the pack. Using a 12mm socket and long-handled ratchet, unbolt the retaining brackets and set bolts in order. Label any connectors, then carefully disconnect the main battery connector and the orange high-voltage service plug by following insulation and locking tabs. Verify no voltage on the service plug area after removal. With 2 people or a small lift, lift the battery pack out. The pack weighs roughly 60 pounds, 27 kilograms, and is awkward to handle. Position the replacement battery pack into the battery bay, aligning mounting points and harnesses. Hand start all retaining bolts to ensure proper fit, then torque them evenly to manufacturer specs using a torque wrench. Reconnect the main battery connector and securely reinstall the orange high-voltage service plug and insulation covers. Reinstall battery cover and trim, then reconnect the 12V battery. Start the vehicle and confirm the ready light illuminates without warning lights. Use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to verify hybrid system voltage reads approximately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.